Hi, hello, it's a brand new day. It's our day 2 at Sulina Beach and Nature Resort, Iloilo. And to start our day, mainit-init na kape at magandang view. O diba? Perfect! Maayong adlaw Ilonggo. So maaga pa kami gumising dahil mag-island hopping kami today. Syempre, before anything else, nag-breakfast muna kami. Breakfast buffet po ito na kasama sa aming package na kinuha. Alam niyo ba, Besh? Good thing dahil no need to book anywhere. Kasi si Sulina partner with Gigantes Island Travel and Tours. For only 1,099, you can enjoy the stunning, breathtaking islands of Isla de Gigantes. From resort, we take a ride at Sulina Shuttle Bus going to Bangkal Port. And take note, we pay 500 pesos for back and forth travel transportation. Mas convenient siya, Bes, dahil ihahatid kayo, then susunduin kayo pabalik. Dumating na nga kami sa port at nakaka-overwhelm kasi ang daming tao para lang mag-island hopping. Mabes ang mas bongga. Not only the local travelers, but foreign travelers din, Besh. Nakaka-proud, Bes, dahil dinadayo talaga tayo ng mga taga-ibang bansa just to experience our natural paradise, a tourist spot, tourist attraction, name it. So ayun na nga, sumakay na kami sa may bangka and they advised na 2 islands lang ang pupuntahan namin kasi masyadong maalon daw. Kaya Besh, pag ganyan, behave, magagalit si Mother Nature. Charot. Good thing na nakamonitor ang mga Coast Guard natin to ensure na safe ang mga traveler. Kudos po sa inyo, ma'am, sir. 1 hour and 30 minutes dumating na kami sa may Lantagan Beach for our lunch stop over. At Besh, sumalubong sa amin ang paborito ng lahat, ang seafood. At Besh, ang dami dito sa Carles ng scallop. At wag ka magulat, Besh, majority of the restaurant here served scallop. For our lunch, steam and bake scallops, pritong bangos, shrimp, tinolang manok, adobo ala Carles, and many more. Sobrang sarap at Besh, sobrang busog. So from delectable lunch, we are heading to the famous selfie island, the Cabugao Gamay. You know guys, Cabugao Gamay Island is ranked by Forbes magazines as one of the most beautiful places in the world. Pooch! Gaher. Grabe guys, nakikita nyo ba? Grabe, sobrang ganda. I cannot believe it. Nga nakikita ko lang ito sa social media. Pero now, hi, hello, andito na ako. Over. So hindi na kami nagpatumpik-tumpik pa. Syempre, we take some beautiful shots. And shout out pala sa aming tour guide kasi most of the beautiful photos is taken from. So don't hesitate na magpa-picture po sa kanila kasi gamay na gamay nila ang pangmalakasan ng mga angles dyan. And pinuntahan din namin ang Antonias Island, a 15 minutes away from Cabugao Gamay Island. Antonias Island is best known for their white sandy beach and emerald crystal clear water. Diyos ko day, yung rock formation nila sobrang ganda. What I like about this island is sobrang mapayapa siya, Bes. Parang ang sarap magmuni-muni. Huy! Isla Gigantes is one of the most beautiful place I ever visited. Syempre, kasama ko si Ma'am Bes Evergive and I will always treasure these memories together with her. Oh, tama na yan. Balik muna kami sa resort. Sulina prepared us an intimate dinner at the beach. Hala ko bunggong mon uy. Anga restaurant again prepared us their specialty mixed seafood platter and lamb chop steak. This is one of the best night ever. Thank you so much Sulina Beach and Nature Resort for a magnificent day 2 experience. And that's it. Thank you for watching on my day 2 Carles adventure. Watch out on my episode 3 Day 3 as we discover more from Sulina Beach and Nature Resort and their famous signature massage na binabalik-balikan daw. And I'm very lucky to visit the Camendres Eco Farm. Thank you for watching. Keep on touch. Bye!